Woman, let me be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's going to be a nighttime routine. So with my nighttime routine, what I like to do is typically get a makeup removal wipe and just remove my makeup off. Honestly, I don't have a preference, whatever I have on hand. This happened to be a brand from Ross that I'm using. I forget the name of it, honestly. If I remember, I'll put it down in the description. But yeah, I typically like to remove all my makeup. And I try to get into every crevice of my face while doing this. After that, usually I have my hair done, whether it's a wig, braids, or whatever the case is. But this time around, I have my natural hair out. So what I like to do is I like to brush it out and use my flat iron to press out my hair because, again, the humidity is very high out here in Florida. So my hair does frizz up. So I end up just putting some oil in it and then flat ironing it. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it for tomorrow. Well, for work, because you're probably watching this weeks after I made this video. So yeah, I like to just go over my hair with a brush, oil, flat iron, and then you'll see me wrap my hair. If I remember everything I've used, I'll also have it linked down in my description. So I like to use a scarf. None of like the hair scarves I came across are long enough, so I like to use a clothing scarf, and I wrap that around my head, and then I'll use like this like towel dry material to put over it so it doesn't move when I sleep, because I like to sleep wild. Well, I don't like to sleep wild. I do sleep wild, and usually that typically stays on better than a bonnet does. And also my hair does not get wet in the shower. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower and get back to you guys. So I've already washed my face. So usually when I get out of the shower, I like to use a spray toner. I don't like putting toner on a cotton ball and putting it in my face. I like to spray my face with the toner and rubbing it all over. For facial wash, I use Spa Subscriptions. I forget what it's called. I'll have it linked in the description. And I also use the exfoliator, facial wash. Those are the two things I use. I always wash my face in the shower. I feel like that's the best place to wash your face because you're already in there and it's already heat when your pores are open. So yeah, that's how I like to do. So yeah. Usually after the shower, I like to put this body oil all over my body, but I totally forgot, so I'm putting it on now. It really keeps my skin all moisturized all night. It's amazing. It's even more amazing when you put it on right after the shower, when you have it mixed with water and stuff. So this is what I'm putting on now. Once my face has dried from the toner, I like to put the Ordinary on my face. I like to put that all over my face, but make sure you guys avoid your eyes because I messed around a little bit, got into my eyes, and that mess burned. So definitely be careful with this product. And don't mind my shirt, I got some water on my shirt. But then I go in with the ordinary serum, and I put that all over my face as well. They do recommend putting on the first serum and then the second serum and then moisturizing before bed. I am so happy with how my face is looking. Quite honestly, I've been doing everything possible to get my face clear, and I'm so happy with the results. After using the serums, I like to use the ordinary moisturizer. Honestly, I don't use them anymore. I feel like it does dry my face out a lot more than anticipated. So I'm back to using Nivea moisturizing facial lotion, and it does the job. So I think I'm gonna stick to it. Normally after that, that's it. I had to do a voiceover. Sorry, the light looks crazy. I should just turn the light off. Okay, it's better. Okay, so the light looks a little crazy, whatever. Okay, so I'm in my living room. My face looks a lot better in the living room. Anyway, I had to get out of the room. I had to do a voiceover as I was getting ready because like my husband's asleep and he has to get up early. But yeah, that's typically what I do. What I'm doing, my nighttime routine. I take like, hold on. I take my makeup off. Oh, maybe I do need light. So yeah, I had to do the voiceover in the bathroom because my husband's asleep. He has to get up early. I do too. I don't know why I'm even still up right now, but I have to clean the kitchen, and I'm one of those ones where I can't sleep if the kitchen is dirty. So I'm gonna like clean some dishes and before I go to sleep. So right now it is, I don't know, because my phone is upstairs, but that's typically my nighttime routine. I'm usually going to sleep around this time or later because I'm just one of those ones that said that needs to go to sleep early but ends up going to sleep late because they're an idiot. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna go brush my teeth and then knock out, probably get up around like 6:45ish. I say that now and end up at like 7:15, which 7:15 sounds a lot better. Again, that is my nighttime routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My face is extremely glowy. I'm proud. And like, you know what? I'm actually embracing my two-tone lips now, because before I used to feel like, oh, your lips are so dark, girl. And I wanted to like brighten them up, but I'm like, you know what, let me embrace my beauty. Like, let me zoom in real quick. Like, girl, you are gorgeous. Can I zoom in? Bitch, can I not zoom in? Oh, the battery's dying. Okay, so yeah, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed my nighttime routine, and hopefully I can get up early enough to do a get ready with me for work. If not, I'll catch you guys in another video. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. And I said this already, I'll catch you guys in my next video. I really gotta phrase this to say it at the end. Bye.
Woman, let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be your woman.